Short story by Jannia Solis Garcia. Arrogant Annie Williams. Annie Williams was thinking about Harold Rabbit again. Harold was a virtuous knight with blonde eyes and short hair. Annie walked over the window and reflected on her cold surroundings. She had always loved magical London with its fragile, faint fields. It was a place that encouraged her tendency to feel surprise. Then she saw something in the distance, or rather someone. It was a virtuous figure of Harold Rabbit. She was amazed and tried to calm a little. Annie swallowed hard. She looked at her own reflection. She was an intelligent but arrogant woman. Her friends saw her as a fun and adventurous angel, but she didn't want to be arrogant. She had even been kind but healing a wandering injured bird once, but not even an arrogant person who had once healed a wandering wounded bird was prepared for what Harold had in store today. The rain hit the window as if it were going to break the glass, and her mother tried to calm Annie down. Annie grabbed an old newspaper that was lying near her and massaged with her fingers. As Annie stepped outside and Harold came closer, she could see the dark smile in his face. Harold glared with all the wrath of 9,718 impatient cats. He said in hushed tones, "I love you, Aunt, and I want affection." Annie looked back even more calm and still fingering the magic newspaper, said, "Harold, I just don't need you in my life anymore," she replied. Then looked at each other with worried feelings, like two dangerous, deadly dogs chatting in a very rude Valentine's meal, with harsh classical music playing in the background and two hopeful uncles laughing in the bed. Harold waited for a while and said, "Anna, do you want to marry me?" Annie looked at Harold's blond eyes and what he was holding in his short fingers and cried of emotion, "Yes, I do! I feel the same. I love you too," revealed Annie with a delighted smile. Harold seemed anxious, his emotions flushing like a piano pleasing, panic-stricken piano, but in the end, Harold and Anne toasted a nice glass of wine to close their engagement. The end.